Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Did we just play this team? I thought they were sitting.
Gising pa rin. Tulog pa rin nata.
The rebound.
The rebound! Get it!
Nice.
Let's go, Mikey. You're the man, Mikey.
Foul. Nice. Tama yan. Daanan mo ng daanan.
Back.
Ah.
That's back.
Look up, look up, look up.
There it is.
Go, 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 go.
Run, you
Run,
gotta
run,
shoot
run.
the ball. There you go, Mikey. Shoot that, Mikey.
Come back.
Call it, call it. Call it. Ah. Run, run. Oh!
Hey.
Not in my house.
Bryce, underneath. Under. Shoot.
George.
Rebound, rebound.
Run, run, run. Run, run. Foul.
Oh.
Go, go, go.
His foot never left.
Tira mo para may... Sayang eh. Shoot it.
Go, go.
Nice shot.
Yes.
Tira mo ga para 3. May foul yun eh.
Yeah. Exactly.
Right?
You gotta
Go.
better screen, Adam. Set the screen right.
Go, 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 go.
There it is.
There it is. Yeah.
Watch your lead, watch your lead.
The rebound!
Come back.
Right. Oh. Foul ba yun? Ano na? Start? Sa hihiya pa rin. It's hot today, huh?
It's warm. It's warm today, huh? You went hiking too. It's warm.
Yeah.
That's Adam's brother. Yeah. Gotta get a mental picture so I can show my daughter. That's the guy who need a rag doll. Was he the one that was saying it? Oh, I don't know. Man, I wish I was like younger. And I have that fire in my belly still. Sometimes. But then I'm glad I'm not.
Quill. Quill. Always.
Galaw ng maayos. Huwag ka nang mahiya-hiya. Rebound. Backs out. Rebound.
Yeah. Look down, look down, look down. Look down.
You got it.
Oh, I'm broke.
He's calm.
Yeah.
He got lucky. I don't think he's out.
It's out. Came from outside.
Yeah.
It's not stable yet. Not yet.
I don't know.
Help!
There it is.
I have bad eyesight.
Grab back. Watch. Heads up.
Set screen. Set screen.
Oh,
Get it back, get it back.
dang.
Get it. Woo!
Eli. Dang, Eli.
Sak!
Nice. Oh. Nice move. That was a good move. There's the, I
Go,
like
push
his
it,
easy,
just go.
goes hard.
Don't wait.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Go!
Dang.
Nakukover eh. Sarap eh.
There you go. Nice screen right there.
Go! Abang di nakaposisyon.
Take him. Take it.
Ang referee eh. Ay. Ang referee. Yan. Finally.
Petrinowski.
Jump it.
Nice.
Nice.
Shoot again.
Press.
Jump. Jump.
Go defense.
Hands up.
Don't get close to him. Oh my God.
Oh. Ooh.
There you go. Ooh.
Back.
Go defense.
Take it. Take it.
Big man.
Run! Kulang! Go! Ah,
There it is.
Good pass.
Saros. Back to the defense.
Just jump on the boot. Go on there. Rebound.
36.
Good job. All the way around.
Go ahead.
Go, press.
Oh, get it! Yan!
Nice. Atta boy.
Nice move!
3 seconds, Bryce.
Shoot it! Palit ka tayo. Para maluwag yung ano ko dito.
Go.
Miss! Balik sa defense. He always stay when he missed the shot.
Because he wants to get the rebound.
No, he always stay outside.
He wants to get the rebound.
No, that's what I told him. Go back.
You go over there, sit in the coach's chair.
Sorry to
No
lose
problem.
your toys.
All good.
Oh,
I don't
she
understand. He
is.
wants to keep shooting. He didn't even warm up.
Notice her.
Shots are way off. Hey, bye.
You moved down.
That's why you can't come and just jack up the shot because he didn't warm up. Look at the shots are all ugly. Drag the freaking ball.
But we are ready for the other team. My son's coaching.
Nice, awesome.
And my grandson
Saros,
Uh,
miss, balik ka agad. Hey, penetrate. Okay.
Yeah, he just turned. And then Joshua helps him coach.
Tingnan mo kung pag may gap gano'n, no?
On the bender. What's her name here?
Painit ka na, kailangan uminit na. Sindihan kita eh.
Joshua's 17.
Brim.
There you go. Rebound. Ah,
Hands up. Hands up.
bye. That's what I like, avenging.
Number 5.
Well, yeah, I know what's wrong on
Fight through that screen, Bryce.
Shoot it.
Hey, pass, pass.
There's Mike. But I think some of the kids
Nice. Go.
They're just looking at the ball, not the body.
Nice. Yep.
Nice. Nice, Mike.
Adam's got to pick that. Adam's got to pick that up. Shoot it!
So, coach.
Who's winning?
Oh, Bryce. I mean,
Cyrus.
One more.
Again.
Let me do it. Do it again.
Hindi siya mabibigyan ng magandang screen dyan, di ba? Pasok si Bryce.
Yeah, this is too congested.
Yeah.
The screen na ganito eh. It's not even like this. It's like this. The screen. How are you gonna set a screen when you're standing straight?
That's up to the coaches. The coaches are the ones who need teaching that. That's why you need to be on one of those chairs, you guys.
They can.
Short.
There it is.
Good take. Oh, wait. Back up.
Help him out.
That guy's in it.
There it is. Nice.
Ah.
Good. You guys.
Jump. Ah. Ang rebound.
go, Bryce.
Up back.
Came for help, huh?
Yeah.
He came to help, huh? Gone, that's it.
Drop back.
Oh.
Cool, switch. So cute.
Nice.
Back up. Back up, back up, back
Out.
up.
Walang mga tato, ah.
Oo nga.
Drop back, drop back.
Run.
There it is.
Stop it. Oh.
Hands up, hands up.
Oh, it's trouble. Trouble yun ah. Can I sit down? Guys, want to sit down? Sige dito. Ha? Dito. Nasa tayo.
Sorry. You say girls have a game today? What? Girls have nothing?
At Santa Clara.
Hands up, hands up.
There. Ah!
Yeah, he looks like he's junior high school. For a freshman. At least. It's just obvious.
Nice.
He needs to get one up. 12! 12!
Okay, 13. Roll. Oh. Leave it, back up.
Yeah! Look at Mike. Mikey, you're the man, Mikey. Mikey, shoot the ball.
You're an asshole. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
Ano?
You know
Wow, nice.
It's all about.
They're both 4?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I tell
Silas?
Adam to
Yeah.
start using the shooter sleeve. Man. You got it for a reason. Come on, start shooting.
Get it out. Where is it? Where is it?
You got this, Big Mike.
There you go. Nice rip.
Yeah!
That
Dito na sa amin yung ano, araw.
I think if you rip like that.
Oh, shoot it, Adam.
Way to pick up the screen.
But dito na naman, jump ball kanina eh.
Big guy, get down there.
Jump dun eh.
No, they're saying it wasn't a jump ball. I know he said.
Ah.
He couldn't, I know.
Sige na nga.
There it is.
Same team.
Yeah! Diskarte! Go! Nice! Yeah!
That's a shooter's touch.
Go defense.
Go, throw it.
There you go.
May press na yan.
Get down, get down. Oh my gosh, no.
Ah,
There's the move.
again one. Dito pinapatay yung oras. Ah!
Hey, did you go,
Yeah, we went to Harmon something.
Get
Harmon
back, get
Canyon.
back.
Sayang, sayang. Sure. Ah!
Bryce, take it to the hole. Stop doing. They're gonna call a foul.
What?
there it is.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. 27. Isa pa. Shoot mo naman. Pandemic.
Okay, move it.
Come on, man.
Tira, tira, 10, 11. Isa pa. Shoot mo naman.
Run, Bryce, run! Make a move. Oh my God.
I thought they shut you off because I thought you went up.
We could have gone around him. We had plenty of time.
Yeah, you can't call people.
You're not wrong.
Yes.
You're not wrong. It looked good.
They did look good, but I thought it was gonna go in.
I was hoping it was like your words.
No, I pulled the line. I had a short.
Are you went fishing today? Yeah. You catching?
Is it Vanden?
We got 6
What? 6 what?
perch. And I fried it. Sayang to. Mas maganda pang ano yun eh.
Try to go inside. Stop. Well, then you gotta let the referee know, hey, they're grabbing my arm when I'm going up. They're gonna call something somehow.
Tubig. Sagasaan si Adam.
How about that?
Para may foul.
His hands.
Tapos pag maluwag, tira. Yung free throw mo, sablay na lang.
So I don't know, they probably don't call. They're not calling me.
Yeah.
Getting in there and mixing it up. So you get your tickets. That's good job out there, Mike.
Like we play sports academy. No foul.
Well, because he's driving and he'll stop and he's not going all the way in. If he's gonna go all the way in, and
Yeah.
because he's gotta stay on schedule. They gotta go home. They don't get paid for overtime. You're right. Or the Niners and the Broncos and the Bills. Who's the Niners playing? Is it Seattle? Oh my God, that's
Dapat si Eli yung lagi nasa fast break eh. Oh, ang bagal eh. Nauunahan pa siya nun. Sayang, tatlo yun, no? 6 points na yun.
yung dalawa doon na hindi pinigay kay Bryce. Di ba? Nandito That's too bad.
Tama yun? Para parehas.
I didn't think this game was going to lose. No, I was going to think it was going to be a more of a transition. Yeah. Yeah.
May miss-score na ba sa amin? Si Eli pa lang, no?
Yeah, Eli.
Happens.
There you go.
Yes. Yes. Nice play, boys.
A lot of people do. Get elbows and stuff in the room.
Foul. Oh! No foul?
Wala. Walang tawag dito.
Go defense. Yes. Sometimes when it's
Oh! No press, no press!
Hey, that's good. Next time, take an extra dribble. There you go, DJ.
Go, Big Mike, all the way. There it is.
Shoot it.
Back up.
Nice! Sabi na, mga kachani rin dyan eh.
Go!
Pick him up, pick him up.
Hold.
Pick up that screen.
Grab.
Foul.
Up and down, yeah.
What? There's no foul. Foul first?
Will. screen.
This big dude.
Right?
Like bulls in a china shop.
Go first!
Nice.
Go defense!
Heads up.
Nice. See? Good down low.
Help him out. Go, Mike.
Nice.
Go defense!
Adam, get down low. See?
Rebound. Oh, no.
Oh shit, he picked him up. He picked him up.
Tawagin mo. Sabay, sabay.
There it is.
Shoot. Ay, tumawag ng foul to. Hmm.
Jump up. Jump up.
Nice.
Will.
Go first!
Up. There it is.
Nice.
Go defense!
Nice.
Go first!
Will.
Oh.
Let's go defense!
Ginaya niya lang si Cyrus. Hindi tumama sa ring eh.
I'm not
Up
in.
and out.
Kunin mo ulit, kunin mo ulit.
Go, big Mike.
He gets like good help. Like Cyrus. Cyrus is getting good help. I'm telling you. Cyrus is getting good help. This team is doing. Like the big guys came down here. Pull him up. Whatever. Gibbons and play trying to eventually going to he can't be the only one down there. And then just a pitch. Even Jimmy as well. That there's a pitch. Because the two big guys shouldn't be outside when Bryce starts to shoot it. Because I just rushed and it's like, it builds up into more anxiety. Now it's like, I don't know.
It's yeah.
Because then look at Cyrus. Cyrus, he like, he has this screen and he rolls on. Like, he's down low. And then they have someone who's behind. You're not out of the line. Because if you're moving, because then you're not moving Benjamin. Like, you know what I mean? Or like, so the matchup is helpful for you. They'll get the rebound. Nice.
Let's go defense!
Travel yan.
Get back on the side.
There you go. See, he's moving. There you go. Oh, good shot, though. That's good. Stay down there, though.
Go first!
Thanks for what you want to do.
Go guys!
Get up and
Sorry, dude.
Open. The basket.
Get it back, get it back.
Rabel. Oh, yeah.
Take it. Take it.
Got ball. Get.
Bryson, I'll take it. Bryson, I'll take it.
Go Spurs.
No.
Go defense.
Hot. He's hot.
Nice.
Oh!
Go Spurs.
Oh, basket. Ah.
Let's go defense. Shut it down.
Shoot. Ah.
Okay, smallest guy is in the. Yeah, yeah.
Go Spurs.
The smallest guy is one in the paint.
Go.
Let's go defense.
Get down low, guys.
Well, it's gonna be hard to come back.
What guys trying to do? What guys trying to do?
Emily wanted to know what was on the agenda today. Keep track. Except when you coming down, he's like high fire drop. I mean, because they have to put the whole house drop.
Hindi pa bumababa si Eli dun. Eh, kung nandun siya, dinalo na. May second chance pa kami sana.
Rebound.
Oo. Oh, 5 lang. Oo nga, 5 lang sila. Oh, si Benji pa yung nilabas.
Si Benji. Red ball, red ball.
Reba!
Good job, Mikey, though. Way to try to trick the ref.
Go defense! No.
Boom.
There it is. See, better.
Go Spurs!
You got?
Yeah!
Oh!
Ah.
Don't put it with that price.
Go defense!
Roll up, go down. Not outside. Let's there. Come up. Right there. Stop. Stop.
Hindi pa marunong mag-screen si Adam.
Yan ang screen roll.
Pero yung screen niya, hindi it's not right.
I hit it.
Yeah!
Yan.
Go, go!
You got this, Mikey. You got this. Nice roll.
Up!
There, see, like that. That's fine. Follow it up. That's fine.
Jump!
Hey, forget about it, Adam. Adam, forget about it. Forget about it.
Yeah.
You got the next one.
Yeah, the next one.
Next one, Adam.
Get the next one. Buti na lang, malayo-layo yung labak.
Go defense!
Good, nice.
Go Spurs!
Basket, that's enough. There it is.
Nice.
Go defense!
Yeah, pag pumasok na yung malalaki,
Okay, keep fighting.
may second chance na kami talaga dyan.
Yeah, how much you guys bet?
Go, take it, take it!
You guys bet a bottle of tequila or what?
Yeah,
Oh, nice block.
Travel, travel!
Oh, he was out of bounds on it.
What? Go defense!
Yeah.
Roll off.
Hold it. Ah! Ah! Nice pass! Ah!
Let's go defense!
Heads up, heads up.
Nice, good. Good take.
Good, good, good!
Got some water, guys. Got some water.
Oh, pwede na mag... palitan.
After 5 or 10. After.
Go defense!
Go, trouble.
Hey.
Go, 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 go.
I like it. I like it.
Foul. Damn.
You guys gotta get the big ones. Just get the big ones. The big fouls.
Oh no.
Look good.
Ah.
I don't know.
Nice screen, Benji.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
There it is.
Go. Middle, middle.
Go, 2 minutes.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so
Yeah.
What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about, huh? What are you guys talking about, huh?
usually the best thing when I used to play against kids like this or whatever.
You got it.
The next day at school.
Go defense!
Again, press, again, press.
Oh!
Hey. What?
Let's go defense!
Over here. Number 5. Number 5. Get it. Oh my God. Nice. I thought it was gonna fall, man.
Si Cyrus maglabas, kay Ilan bibigay. Ako ganun.
Yeah. Double, double, double. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Press, press. Oh.
Nice, paro. Black ball. Pass to the backboard.
Get it, Bryce.
Oh, okay. Shit.
Isn't the clock supposed to? No, right?
No.
No. I know.
Dapat 7 points lang.
Get it, Will! Go defense!
Wow.
Go, get back there, help him out. There you go.
Truth! Thank you, coach.
Bring the ball back.
Oo, pare.
It's funny how stands can make you feel so old.
Manalo si Cyrus.